It finally happened. Ukraine has launched its most devastating strike yet on Crimea, targeting key port infrastructure and Russian naval assets in the heart of Sevastopol. Explosions lit up the night sky, with Ukrainian drones and missiles hitting fuel depots, dry docks, and even warships. Russia is scrambling. The Black Sea Fleet is bleeding. But is this a turning point, or a step closer to open war with NATO? On the night of March 28th, Ukrainian forces executed a coordinated drone and missile strike on Sevastopol and other port infrastructure in Russian-occupied Crimea. According to Ukrainian military intelligence, the target list included fuel terminals, resupply ships, and critical logistics hubs used by the Black Sea Fleet. Footage from locals and satellite imagery confirms at least 2 large explosions at the port's main refueling station and what appears to be a Rapucha-class landing ship completely engulfed in flames. This wasn't a random strike. It was a surgical attempt to cripple Russia's ability to resupply troops in southern Ukraine and project power in the Black Sea. Ukraine reportedly used a mix of UK Storm Shadow cruise missiles, French Scalp missiles, and long-range drones provided by domestic defense firms. One target, the port of Feodosia, has been central to Russia's logistics since 2022. Damaging it slows fuel movement, troop deployment, and weapon transfers. Some experts are even calling this the beginning of the end for the Black Sea Fleet's presence in Crimea. In typical fashion, the Kremlin first denied any major losses. But within hours, Russian military bloggers and Telegram channels lit up with photos of burning ships and oil fires stretching for miles. But here's the problem. While Russia scrambles to retaliate, its forces are more vulnerable than ever. Let's be honest. Ukraine didn't plan this strike alone. U.S. surveillance drones, NATO satellite data, and real-time ISR support likely played a crucial role in identifying targets and coordinating the timing. But it's also a gamble. If Russia sees Crimea as Russian soil, and they do, then any attack there could justify escalation, even nuclear posturing. We've already seen Russian state media float the idea of tactical responses. At the same time, Ukraine's allies are watching closely. Washington and Brussels have to balance continued support with the risk of provoking direct Russian retaliation. This isn't just a battle over a few ships. It's a battle over the future of the Black Sea, the war in Ukraine, and the balance of power in Eastern Europe. Ukraine's message is clear. Crimea is not safe. And if Russia thought it had control of the sea, it might need to think again. The war is evolving, and the Black Sea just became the most dangerous place on Earth. Do you think Ukraine was right to strike Crimea? Will Russia escalate further? And how much longer can this shadow war stay contained? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more.